Hey everybody, AdCat Tech here. How you doing? Today we're going to replace the engine air filter of the Toyota Prius. It's very simple, very easy to do. It's going to save you some money at the dealership, and I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. The part number for this will be in the description. And let's get started. They're recommended that you change this every 30,000 miles. It really depends upon the car manufacturer. Some car manufacturers will say 45. I like to do it every 30,000 miles. And again, by not doing it at the dealership, you're going to save yourself some money because the filters are relatively inexpensive compared to what they will charge you to do this at the dealership. And it's very simple and easy to do. So let's get started. We're going to have to pop the hood open and let's go from there. So you're going to pop the hood, if you don't know already, from over here. You're going to pop the hood from right here. You're just going to pull. And now we're going to shut the door and go right to the front. I'm going to put the new piece down for a second. I'm going to lift up. And you can see right here, if you haven't opened your hood, there's a little lever right here. You're just going to push that up ever so slightly. Lift it up. And your piece to support it is up in the hood. So you're going to put that down. And there, our air filter is actually under this piece. So again, very easy to do. I'm going to get the other piece ready to show you how clean this is. So there's two brackets, and that's all this is really. Bracket 1, bracket 2, and all you're going to do is pull this bracket off right like that. This bracket's going to get pulled off right like that. It's no struggle. You saw how easy it is. What we want to do now, this piece, you're going to notice it lifts ever so slightly forward. And that's all you have to do. And I'm going to reach in here from the side, and you'll see the air filter right here. You can see how dirty it is. And it's going to go, the rubber seal is up top. You can see the airflow, and you can see old versus new of how dirty this is. So out with the old, and as they say, in with the new. So again, you're going to want to slip this in, careful. And all you're really going to be careful of here is you're going to want to make sure the seal, that rubber piece, lines up. I think we're good on all sides. Let me just check that the other side is in. And it is. So it's good all around. Good there, good there. And once it's there, you're going to push these two back into their grooves ever so slightly, just till it lines up. And then again, you're going to take clamp A, push it on, clamp number 2, and we're going to push it, pull it back up, and that's it. You're done, it's on, and we're good to go. So that's it, everybody. So very simple to change the engine air filter. Again, this is a genuine Toyota part. I got this on Amazon.com. You can save a lot of money by doing it yourself and not going to the dealership. I'm going to put the part number in the description. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And we're going to see you next time. Be sure to subscribe. We have a lot of great videos, and we're trying to help you out. See you next time, everybody. Have a good one.